across North Shawnee, either side of Interstate 40. And you're going to see a lot of popping power coming up.
Melvin,
right about
Melvin,
now. Because it's
Melvin,
coming
you're going to be okay.
177 and I-40 right now. Let's hope
you're going to be okay, Melvin.
Are listening to us on the radio, and they are nowhere near this, because this will throw cars a long, long way. John Welsh joins us live. John?
Hey, yeah, Mike, right now it's fixing to cross. It looks like a 3W right there in I-40 where you kind of take the diagonal like you're going to, or the diagonal like you're going to Shawnee or towards Ada. But as you can see, it's really cleared up here, and
looks like he's near the tornado to me. Reed Timmer's in this.
Hey, Melvin. Melvin. Hey, Melvin.
Reed, you're on. Your stream just came up. Looks like you're in it. Are you in the tornado in the vapor?
We're approaching it. It's right now. We're getting blocked by police here. Left side. Yeah, there's a large white tornado right over I-40.
It is on I-40 right now. Emily Sutton's on it. Folks, it's going through North Shawnee. You've got to be out of the way or below ground. It's going through. It's going down I-40. It's going to hit the Shawnee Mall. It's going to hit the Shawnee Mall. Reed Timmer, his stream was just up. He was in it.
It'll be okay. Melvin, you're going to be okay.
Quarter mile wide.
Melvin, you're going to be all right.
Down, block it up.
Power lines are down. It is now.
We can go on the right side.
The tornado now is 3 miles to the west of Shawnee Mall. It's either going to hit Shawnee Mall or graze the northern side of Shawnee Mall. 3 miles west of Shawnee Mall. There's Chopper 4 Live looking at it. Massive tornado. Reed says quarter mile wide.
All right.
To a half mile wide from time to time. Right now it's quarter mile wide. Reed's in the vortex, and Emily Sutton's on it as well. You folks in Shawnee, below ground or out of the way, you have no other options. North Shawnee, I-40, and north of I-40 to the Shawnee Mall and up toward Prague. It's heading your way. Go, John Welsh.
Yeah, there it is, Michael, right there on I-40, and the inflow in this thing is about 60 miles an hour right now. I shouldn't be hovering at 20% torque, but I am, just because there's absolutely so much wind that's just sucking from this storm that's holding us up in the air right now. And the inflow man is back into the storm that hit Carnegie. This is definitely getting wider. We're seeing some power flashes in there. We're seeing some debris floating up. If you're in this area, you need to be underground. This is going to be, I don't know, probably just from my vantage point, looks like we're about 2 miles, 3 miles east of the 3W exit there on I-40. So we're going to be, if you could be just to the west of the college there. So if you're on track I-40, right there you have Walmart Lowe's on those stores.
Melvin,
you're definitely going to need
you're going to be okay.
Evacuate the area.
It's all right. I think we've lost view of it.
Shawnee Airport, and everything's going to track north of here. But if you got friends or family in there, listen to us on the radio. Definitely take this precaution and get underground, get in your safe area, because it's coming. And from our vantage point here, Mike, it doesn't look like it's lifting up anytime soon.